Hey, hi, welcome back to my channel Basic Code. Today we are going to discuss about the topic set timeout. That is a wonderful topic, and so let's start. So what is the set timeout? The set timeout is a function. It's utilized to introduce delay or to execute a particular function after a specified amount of time has passed. Just like that, if we are fetching the data from the API, like sometime when we are fetching the data, it takes time. And in between that time, we want to pass the another message. We want a block of code want to execute during that time. We don't want to stop that execution there. So that time we can use the set timeout function. So let's start with the basic example of the set timeout. Let's say we are fetching data from the API, right? Okay, fetching user data. Okay, user data. So when we are fetching the data, that time it takes a time. It could take a time, right? That time we can use set time out. So the set time out takes three arguments. Like first the callback function, then the milliseconds, the time that we want to express delay time, and then there are the other arguments that those are optional. So first we need to one is the function that is callback function. Okay. Then like if we want to say we want to set time out and we want to show this message after the fetching data. Okay, we will say user data loaded. Okay, so here we are going to pass how much time it's gonna take. It's gonna delay the time. So like just say we are going to say it will take 2 seconds. So we are going to pass the data. Look at this now. If you will see the results, now it's showing fetching the data, and after 2 seconds we are getting user data loaded. That means we want to execute. If we will say we have one more line, है ना? Console.log loading. Okay, we will say loading. So now fetching user data, it's loading user data loaded. So if there is a code of block, that is first we are fetching the data and we want to execute this code of block before this one. We know this block of code will take the time, but we want to engage the users with this data. So that time we can use set time out, and we can put the delay time over here, how much time it's gonna take. So after that we can use this console.log. With this one, with the help of this one, there will not be a delay. It can execute the other blocks while waiting for this one. So this is a simple example of set time out. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe. Thank